Well, it's May 10th here, 2019. We're trying it again in Wisconsin. Preston's got a tag. So we've had a hard time having a chance to get out this year, so I think we've only been out a couple times and haven't had any luck. So Preston's got a tag for this season again. And we're sitting at the end of a cornfield that hasn't been picked. It's picked clean by the animals, but they've been out here, and there was 2 hens out here when we came up, so we've got all afternoon to sit, and we're gonna see if anything will come by. We're probably not gonna do a whole lot of calling, just sitting and watching. So Preston's probably just gonna play Kindle most of the time. So hopefully something comes through today. We will see. It's about 60 degrees out, so it's pretty nice. Better than snow and cold. Grandpa's in here with us too, over there. We got a full house. Well, we've been in here about an hour so far. No birds out in the view yet, but there's some putting and clucking up the hill here. We can hear must be feet, so hopefully eventually they feed their way down here. In the meantime, Preston is still playing his Kindle. Good job, Preston. Good job.
You got one. 2 jakes down.
You did a good job.
That was a lot of
That was a lot of
Yep.
excitement.
The gun pinched my finger.
That's right.
It just barely stings.
why I asked you before if you pushed it forward hard enough when you got in. You got 2. What do you think?
Good job. You drilled him.
That was good. You had a lot of issues there.
Yep.
I didn't care. I just pulled the trigger. I just pulled it like a surprise, like you taught me.
We didn't have the slide pushed all the way forward, so it wouldn't go off, so we had to rack it back in. And he stayed calm, and we got him stopped.
Hold her off.
Give me go up now.
We got 2 dead jakes, so we're gonna go out there and take a look. Get everything out of the way in here.
What the heck? Mine's still moving.
It's okay.
That's a good That was a good
What
job.
the heck?
It's alright.
Did I wound it?
No, he's dying.
Well, what do you think?
Good.
2019 Wisconsin turkey is in the books for season B, I think we're in. We had these jakes come walking in, and
4 jakes.
there might be more than that, is there? Or
Nope,
is there
there's 4. There's 4 there.
We had jakes come walking in, and Preston got a shot on one, and one of them hung around a little too long, and I took a shot on the other one. So we're tagged out with a double.
First ever.
Wisconsin, yeah, Wisconsin 2019.
First ever in our whole family, actually.
Preston's second turkey here. Got one last year, a nice big tom, and this year's been tough hunting. We haven't had many birds around, so we figured tonight if we get some jakes to come out, we're gonna take the shot. So, what do you think?
Awesome.
Were you excited?
Mm-hmm.
So, why don't you pick it up and see how heavy it is? Grab by his feet like that. We'll head him, get a good picture and get out of here, huh? You pick it up.